Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Here is the new parent-teacher training. It's pretty exciting. So, $150, and all this information is yours for a year. $14.95, it's yours for a month. So, I show you everything you need to do to get going with your blocks, and no more excuses. Get your blocks out and start playing. I talk about why it is that it's better to have them in this kind of form where you have the 5 is 5 of these stuck together. But if you have units, rods, and flats, as they say, or ones, tens, and hundreds, you can use those kind of base 10 blocks. It's going to be a little more tedious, and you'll see why these are better. But you can definitely still use them for more than just addition, subtraction, and place value. If you have Cuisinart rods, you can use those. If you have other blocks that are basically, some of them even have almost the same color as the Mortensen math blocks. These are Mortensen math blocks, but there are other sets of base 10 blocks that have these guys stuck together like this, and I show you how to use them and why it's important, and when you can start introducing what concepts and so forth. And here's the 3-period lesson. Look, that video is only a minute long. This one is 34 minutes long, and then start looking. You can see, yeah, there's some time. They wanted me to cut these videos into half-hour segments, and no, you guys can use your pause button. And on top of that, as you can see here, it tells you where you are in your progress, and it saves it for you because this site uses cookies. So if you get halfway through a video and you want to watch some other video, then you can come back and you'll know exactly where you left off. Pretty cool. And it tells you how many you've gone through, and and there's more that's going to be added here. I have a few more videos to add and some more PDFs to add and a couple more links to add to these posts and so on, so that you get everything you need all in one place. So what this is basically is a lot of these videos won't be available anywhere else, and then it'll give you links to web pages and so forth that of course you can get elsewhere, but they'll be put in an order so it's quote-unquote spoon-fed to you, so that you know, okay, I do this and then I do this and I've read that and then I get this PDF and so on, and we can get going. And like I said, remove all excuses. If you know parents that are teaching their kids homeschool, you should tell them about this and become an affiliate, and then you can get paid to tell people about Crewton Ramone's House of Math. 25% commission on this, by the way. You don't have to be an affiliate. You can just tell them out of the kindness of your heart, but you can certainly get paid if you want to. And you'll be sure that you're giving them a great training. You'll be able to see, I'm going to collect quite a few people have been through this, so I'm going to collect some testimonials and so on, and you'll be able to see those. But even without testimonials for this exact page, because it was on my old site, but it's basically the same videos, the same information, you can go to my testimonials page and read all those different testimonials over the years. I've been doing this for a long time, and this is the culmination of knowledge condensed into 10 hours. This is stage 1 for you. There's more training that you could have, but it just hasn't gotten on video. And there's going to be a whole lot more theory in action, because this is basically theory, not so much action. And then you'll be linked to action later. And what I mean by action is me actually working with little children, so you can see that it's not just theory. You can see the practice, you can see the smiles, you can see them having fun, you can hear the laughter, because playing base 10 blocks is fun. And a lot of you have forgotten how to have fun, and you think because it's math, you know why you know that math isn't fun? Is because you've been through math and you failed, or maybe you had a hard time, or maybe you didn't fail, but it wasn't fun. I show you how to make it fun. I show you how to not turn your kids off at multiplication. I show you how to keep them engaged and enjoying themselves all the way up through algebra and quote-unquote higher mathematics, trigonometry, and so forth. Trig for 8-year-olds. That's coming here shortly. But right now, parent-teacher training, you get lots of information. This is not fluff and feathers. I mean, it's actual video of trainings that I've done, and there could be a little more editing where we take out a little bit of the chat or the chatter and so forth. But overall, this is densely packed information, and your mind will be blown. Promise. I've gotten comments like that over and over again, that there are people that have taken this training. It's just mind-blowing, aha moment after aha moment after aha moment. And those kind of aha moments are fun. So, worth the money worth your time. I charge $50 an hour, and there are 10 hours of video here. Do the math. So you're getting quite the deal, and you can come back and watch it as many times as you want. You can come back, and there's nothing that says you just get to watch it once. You can, if you want to watch the same video multiple times, no problem. If you want to watch it a whole bunch of times in 1 month and then cancel, no problem. But you have access for a year for $150, for a month for $14.95. These videos are absolutely worth your time. I can't stress it enough. If you have a teacher or a person you know that has base 10 blocks in their classroom, strongly encourage them to get this training. It's worth their time. If you have parents that are homeschooling, show them this. Let them know that there is help out there and that there are people that can show them how to make math fun again. And if you don't believe me, search Crewton Ramone testimonials or look for the link on my website somewhere. You'll see it there. It's right there. It says testimonials. And actually here, I can show you right now. Let's go here, and you'll see there are just hundreds of them from all kinds of people. There's no way I could have made all of these up. I mean, just testimonial after testimonial after testimonial after testimonial. It just goes on and on and on. And then I have video testimonials. This absolutely is worth their time. All right, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more. And of course, now the Kajabi site where you find this. Follow the links. And like I said, you can become an affiliate, get a 25% commission, and share this link with people that you know that have kids, or share this with people that are teachers that are teaching math, or that are young teachers that have them in their classrooms. They can get this for $150, and they're used to paying more. I promise you, especially for this much training that has this kind of content. Anyhow, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more.